Hi, to the parents of children in Gauteng public schools. Lo behold, we still have children failing in Gauteng public schools. Yet, Gauteng Department of Education has put in place an online platform that is pregnant with educational resources. Now, this platform, it is called Gde Content Platform. This platform can be accessed through your search engine Google. You simply search for GDE Content Platform. It will provide the space for you to log in. Now, all learners in public schools were given their login credentials to access this platform. I'm in one of the schools where we are always red flagged by the e-learning department that our learners are not logging on this platform, yet we are not doing so well. This is despite all effort and measures we take to ensure that our learners are aware of this platform and they can use it. Still, they don't log in. And I thought that parents have more control over these learners than teachers in schools. Therefore, I decided that I'm going to share this information with parents so that they can encourage their children to log in and learn from this platform. So let's go and check that. We go on Google and search for GDE Content Platform. So this is the Google page. Now on Google, you type GDE Content Platform and you search. Now here is the search result. If you look at that search result, the first option that appears there, it says my SDLR login. So that is the first option we are going to take. So this is where our platform is located. So once you click there, then this page appears. Now when you look at this page, at the bottom there it says login. It provides the space to put in your username. At the bottom, you put in your password. Once you do that, you press login, and therefore the result is this page. Now this page has all the grades in the school. Now in each and every grade, there are all the subjects that are taught in school. So please parents, allow me to demonstrate what is entailed in any of those grades so that we can see how this content is beneficial to our children. Now, please let us look at the content that appears there. We can see we've got grade 12 here and the lowest grade being grade R. So all the grades in the school are represented in this platform. So I'm going to click grade 12 and I open the content that is given for grade 12. We can see here we've got digital lessons, we've got e-readers from Siavula, we've got GDE content. Now under GDE content, we've got study material in a form of notes. When you go to weekly assessment, these are small assessments that learners can take to assess their progress. So I'm going to open digital lessons which present lessons in a video format. So let's look at digital lessons. Now it shows all the subjects that are available for grade 12. The first class, subject that I'm going to pick there is mathematics. Under mathematics, here are the content that are being taught. So I'm going to click the limit so we can watch and see the teacher explaining that concept. So the learners can benefit from this.
The second concept is this x value, which is 2. And if you want to find the limit at the point x is equals to 2, we need to look at the left limit and the right limit. And if the left limit is equal to the right limit, the limit at x approaches 2 x's. But in core maths, we don't have to look at both limits.
So parents, our learners would benefit so much from watching or accessing this learning material. So let me go and open another grade. I'll open grade 10 mathematics so we can also see the type of content that is presented for our learners in there. So if I go for digital lessons, I'll also find the videos of teachers explaining the mathematics concept for grade 10s. So, for example, let me go take functions. Let us see what is presented here for algebraic functions.
Okay, now we're going to study the section functions. I'd like to point out right at the outset that this is a big section, but a very, very important section. Now, if you go back to our general flow diagram on mathematics, we had four aspects that we are going to be studying in mathematics. And that one was expressions. And in the course of our math so far, we finished the expressions. And then we did equations. And notice we took the same expressions and we put equal signs to them and we solved them as equations. Now, why did we solve them as equations? Because those equations, when we
Now, parents, please encourage our learners to log in on this platform and learn from it. With that all said, I'd like to say thank you. Sharp, sharp.